That's a much better split in my bread. Still not perfect. Bread problems. Let's have another go at this. So I'm having problems with my bread. It's not getting that lovely split on the top of it when it gets baked. So I have made a dough with less water. 75 grams worth of less water for the amount of flour that I use. But this time I'm using cheap flour as opposed to that flour. And I think using less water will give a better split, but we'll find out, won't we? So, shake the dough, put the dough in a Peruvian basket, allow it to rise, and then we'll bake it tomorrow. Nice to rise on bread, slice down the side. Someone said a deep slice, I'm not entirely sure about that. Lid on, in the oven for 25 minutes. 25 minutes later, and that's better, isn't it? That's a much better split in my bread. So, less water is the key.